Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to OneDrive for your business. I'm simply going to begin by opening Windows Explorer. And as you can see, I've got all my files and applications here. And what I'm interested in is OneDrive for my business, which is this one here, which will have your company name. OneDrive Personal is supplied by Microsoft on most HP machines, and of course it's my personal account. So when it comes to company data or your personal company data, save it in your business. So it operates in a very similar way to any sort of other folder you would have on a server, or your home drive that you would have on a server. And as you can see, it's got all my files in here. You can save documents to your OneDrive account or the company shared account on SharePoint. So this information here is only accessible to me, unless of course I share documents. So I'm going to quickly open testing 1.2, and it will open up in Word like any other document. And I'm going to quickly save my changes, and I'm going to quickly save it back. Now of course that was stored in the OneDrive account, so it's going to save back to the OneDrive account. But if I wanted to save it into SharePoint, I'll simply go to Save As, move from the OneDrive and navigate to Sites. And once again, save it where I want to. So I'm going to save it in the shared documents here. There you go. And that's now saved in SharePoint. I might also want to share to colleagues or clients. I'll simply go to the file, go to share. I can share with people, and I can share it via email, as an attachment, as a link, as a PDF. Similar to you could with any other sort of documents in SharePoint, and I'm going to send it as an attachment. Once again, just send it to myself. There we go. Blurb, and send that. If it's a case of saving files to OneDrive, you simply, if I open up a new Word document, a blank document, testing here, simply go to File, Save As, OneDrive, and enter the file name, so testing again, and simply click Save. So as you can see, it's uploading to my OneDrive account. And when I go and open the Windows Explorer, and you can see it's right there. You can see when it was last modified as well. So OneDrive is intended to be like your H drive, home drive. You're meant to save any sort of documents you don't think are necessary for the SharePoint site or for everyone else in the company to access. So I might have logos in here or some pictures in here. Like I said, it's intended to be for storing items that you may still be working on, for example. But it operates in a very similar fashion to SharePoint, and of course I can save it to SharePoint or move to SharePoint on a later date once I've finished with it. Hopefully this very brief overview of how to use OneDrive has been very helpful.